Hello friends and potential friends. Well, a buddy of mine did a video this last week concentrating on the pollinators he's seeing up in upstate New York. And I figured I might try to reciprocate on that. Show what we've got going on here in Idaho. Doesn't look like a whole lot right at the moment. They're usually out first thing in the morning and I'm a little bit late getting out here. We do have some pumpkins that are getting about ripe though. And this can actually be a little bit deceptive because if you go over here and you look inside of pretty much any of these flowers, you're going to see pollinators. Lots and lots of them. Mostly honeybees, few wasps and some other kind of wasps. But come out here first thing in the morning and every flower is full of bees. And the bees are humming around trying to find an empty flower that they can go into. Generally there's at least 2 or 3 in each flower. But they're coming along well. This bed is actually doing real good. The other one over there, not so good. So we got a couple of pumpkins here that are just about ready to go. A couple more down here hiding that have still got some time. Another one over here outside the bed, headed for the pasture. That one's starting to turn. And then over here on the diseased bed, we still got this big guy. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that thing. It is huge, but I've never seen a pumpkin that color. Got spaghetti squash, a couple of them still left in here. We did pick one the other day. Another big pumpkin over here, and this one looks to be entirely different from the first big one. Totally different shape and color, but I think it's coming off of the same vines. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But yes, I'm still fighting them squash bugs. Just trying to keep them alive long enough to get the fruit off of them. Potatoes are flowering. That's supposed to be a good sign. And tomatoes are slowly starting to put on fruit now. Well, they've been taking a beating in this wind. Speaking of which, I hope I did remember to bring my mic with me this time, so hopefully we don't have a whole lot of wind noise. Sunflowers are still doing good. And all in all, this is just a nice place to spend some time. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I am, and I'll see y'all next time. Well, that clip I did yesterday just didn't show the true activity of these pollinators, so I figured I'd sneak out here in the morning, give you a little better taste of what it's like out here. Just sit there and watch them flying all over the place, trying to find a vacancy. And pretty much every flower out here has got 2 or 3 pollinators in it. They just keep moving from flower to flower. Turned a little bit cool and windy this morning, but that's not slowing them down too much. That one's so full, it's not room for any more. Like I said, mostly honeybees, but there are also some various wasps and other kind of flying pollinators. Hope that gives you a better idea, and I'll see you next time.